Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and welcome back to online classes of Iqra Ufaz Boys Secondary Schools and Colleges, a project of Iqra Education System. My dear fellows, my dear brothers, this is another video session in the series of many in online classes. Today we are going to start chapter number 6, which is King Faisal. And in this video lecture today, before we go for explanation or summary of this chapter, I would like to take you through some keywords and their meanings, so that when you are going through the chapter on your own or listening to my explanation, you should have no problem in understanding what the word says and what it means. Let's start from the first word. Word number 1 is late. This is adjective and it is used as a short form of lately deceased or dead. When someone has died, so with his name or her name we can use late. That will tell the people that the person or the name mentioned is lately deceased or dead. Word number 2, religious. This is also adjective and it means relating to or believing in a religion. Word number 3, maternal. This is also adjective and it means related to the mother's side family. If I say maternal uncle, it means uncle who is related to my mother's side family. If I say maternal cousin, it means cousin who is related to me from my mother's side family. Word number 4, serve. This is a verb and it means to perform services or duty, or in simple words, to work. Word number 5, several. This is also adjective and it means more than two, or in simple words, many. Several people means more than two people or many people. Word number 6, wisdom. It is a noun and it means the ability to make sensible decisions. The ability to make sensible decisions. That is the meaning of the word wisdom. Word number 7, overcome. And this is a verb and it means to succeed in controlling a problem. Word number 8, resign. This is a verb and it means to officially tell that you are leaving a job. We often say he has resigned from his office. It means he has officially told in his office that he was leaving a job. Word number 9, devoted. This is an adjective and it means having great love for somebody or something. If I say he is a devoted player, it means he has great love for his game, for his sport. A devoted friend means a friend who has great love for others or for somebody specific. Word number 10, cultivation. This is a noun and it means the use of land for growing crops or plants. The next word is stipend. Stipend is also a noun and it means amount of money paid to somebody regularly. Especially stipend is given to number of students. So it means that the amount of money paid to students regularly in order to cope up with their expenses. Word number 12, bidun. Bidun is actually an English pronunciation, the form of an English pronunciation of Badu. If you remember, Badu was actually an Arab person who lived in the desert. Word number 13, vast. This is adjective and it means large in size or area or amount, etc. Word number 14, kingdom. This is the noun and it means country ruled by a king or a queen. Word number 15, brethren. This is also a noun and it means people who are part of the same society. So when we say brethren of Pakistan, it means people of Pakistan who are part of the same society in Pakistan here. Word number 16, pilgrims. It is a noun and it means people who travel to a holy place. In general, it means people who travel to a holy place, but when we see the word pilgrims in the context of the text, King Faisal, so the word pilgrims means the people who travel to holy place Makkah in order to perform pilgrimage, in order to perform Hajj. So such people are called pilgrims. Word number 17, conscious. This is an adjective and it means aware or knowing. Word number 18, enmity. This is a noun and it means feelings of hatred for somebody. Feelings of hatred for somebody. It means the feelings in somebody that that person hates somebody. So feelings of hatred are called enmity. Word number 19, strengthen. Strengthen. This is a verb and it means to make strong. Word number 20th, grieved. This is also an adjective and it means feeling sad or feeling pain. Word number 21, territories. This is a noun and it means land that is under control of a country. Word number 22, assault. This is also a noun and it means the crime of attacking somebody physically. Word number 23, wicked. This is an adjective and it means morally bad or evil. Word number 24, nephew. It is a noun and it means the son of one's brother or sister. If you have a brother or a sister who is married, his or her son would be your nephew. Word number 25, mourn. It is a verb and it means to feel and show sadness. Word number 26, grief. This is a noun. Previously we had a word grieved. That was adjective. And now we have a word grief. This is a noun. It means feeling of great sadness. Word number 27, martyr. Martyr is a noun. Here I would like to remind you or make something clear. Many of the people mispronounce this word as martyr. It's not martyr, it's martyr. Martyr. We do not or slightly pronounce R in British English. So it becomes martyr. This is a noun. It means a person who is killed due to his religious or political beliefs. That or such person is called martyr. Word number 28, guardian. It is a noun and it means a person who protects or cares for somebody. Or in simple words, custodian. Word number 29, holy. This is an adjective and it means connected to God or any particular religion. The last word is pious. This is also adjective and it means having and showing respect for God or for religion. My dear brothers, I hope you have been able to understand the meaning of the words given here. in front of you on the screens. The familiarity with these words or understanding of these words will help you understand the passage we are going to study tomorrow. I will come back to you with another online lecture on summary and explanation of this chapter number 6, King Faisal, tomorrow. Till then, take very good care of yourselves. Do this work, all these words and meanings in your register after making a title page of chapter number 6, King Faisal. See you then. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.